Did you know that over 80% of people who use baking soda are unaware of its most powerful secrets? This everyday kitchen staple, costing just pennies per dose, sits quietly in millions of homes, hiding its true potential. And many experts even call baking soda the most overlooked medicine on earth. Think about it. How often have you used it for baking or freshening your fridge without realizing its broader benefits? This simple white powder has a long history of surprising uses, some of which could revolutionize how you view your health. Yet, why do so few people talk about its real power? And what are we all missing out on? Baking soda isn't just for cleaning or baking. It's praised for supporting the body's natural detoxification processes, and when dissolved in water, its alkaline properties help neutralize acids both inside and outside the body. Many people use baking soda baths to soothe irritated skin, reduce itchiness, and calm rashes, as it may draw out impurities, leaving skin refreshed. And while scientific evidence for detoxifying through the skin is limited, many report significant relief. Internally, drinking a small amount mixed with water may help alkalize blood and urine, aiding toxin removal. And a study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that sodium bicarbonate can slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing blood acidity. Though it's important to remember that your body already balances pH quite efficiently, and overuse can lead to side effects, so moderation is absolutely key. For oral health, baking soda is a true powerhouse, gently scrubbing away surface stains and neutralizing mouth acids that cause cavities and bad breath. And research in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry shows that baking soda toothpaste removes plaque and whitens teeth better than many alternatives, though overuse can wear down enamel, so dentists recommend using it sparingly. For heartburn relief, mixing a teaspoon of baking soda in water neutralizes stomach acid, offering fast and effective relief, as noted in gastroenterology and hepatology journals, and its antifungal properties, supported by a study in mycopathologia, make it an effective remedy against infections like athlete's foot. For urinary tract infections, baking soda may reduce urine acidity, easing discomfort, as highlighted in the Japanese Journal of Urology, though severe cases still require medical attention, and it's always best to consult a healthcare provider before self treating. Canker sores heal faster with baking soda rinses, thanks to its anti inflammatory and antiseptic properties, as demonstrated in the Journal of the American Dental Association. And athletes have long used baking soda to combat muscle fatigue by neutralizing lactic acid buildup, enhancing performance and endurance, according to the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research. When it comes to kidney health, baking soda may slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing blood acidity, as further supported by the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology, and it also shows promise in reducing inflammation associated with arthritis, per findings, the Journal of Immunology, as well as managing gout by helping dissolve uric acid crystals, as noted in arthritis and rheumatism. For colds and flu, baking soda gargles can soothe sore throats and help clear mucus, while its alkalizing properties have even been studied for potential benefits in cancer treatment by making tumor environments less acidic, as explored in cancer research, though this should never replace conventional medical therapy. As a natural deodorant, baking soda works by neutralizing odor causing bacteria, a fact backed by the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, making it a popular choice for those avoiding chemical laden products. However, despite its many benefits, baking soda isn't for everyone. Those with kidney issues, high blood pressure, gastrointestinal disorders, or who are pregnant should use caution due to its sodium content, and it's always wise to consult a doctor before making it a regular part of your health routine. Baking soda's versatility is backed by both science and tradition, offering affordable, strap natural remedies for a variety of ailments. And whether you've used it for baking, cleaning, or health purposes, its potential is truly remarkable. Have you tried baking soda for any of these purposes? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who might benefit from this information. Thanks for watching, and we appreciate your support as we continue to explore simple, science-backed ways to improve health and wellness together. Now let's dive even deeper into the fascinating world of baking soda and its hidden powers. Beyond its well known uses, baking soda has been a trusted remedy for centuries, with historical records showing its use in ancient Egypt for cleaning and preserving mummies, and in traditional medicine for soothing digestive issues. Fast forward to modern times, and science continues to uncover new ways this humble powder can support health and wellness. For instance, did you know that baking soda can help balance pH levels in the body, which is crucial for maintaining optimal health? When the body becomes too acidic, it can lead to fatigue, inflammation, and even chronic diseases. But baking soda's alkalizing effects may help counteract this imbalance, though it's essential to use it carefully to avoid disrupting the body's natural equilibrium. Another lesser known benefit is its role in supporting exercise performance. Studies have shown that athletes who consume baking soda before intense workouts experience less muscle fatigue and improved endurance, thanks to its ability to neutralize lactic acid buildup. This makes it a popular, low cost alternative to commercial sports supplements, though it's important to follow proper dosing guidelines to prevent digestive discomfort. Baking soda's benefits extend to skincare as well. Many people use it as a gentle exfoliant to remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and even treat acne due to its antibacterial properties. Some also mix it with coconut oil or apple cider vinegar to create homemade face masks that leave skin feeling soft and rejuvenated. For those struggling with dandruff, a baking soda scalp scrub can help remove flakes and balance scalp pH, reducing itchiness and irritation. Even in hair care, baking soda can clarify buildup from styling products, leaving hair shiny and voluminous, though frequent use may strip natural oils, so it's best used occasionally. For occasional bloating or gas, a baking soda drink may help ease discomfort by promoting digestion, but again, moderation is key. Baking soda's antifungal and antibacterial properties also make it effective for treating minor infections, such as yeast infections or toenail fungus, when used in soaks or pastes. Some even use it as a natural alternative to commercial antifungal creams, though severe infections require medical treatment. For bug bites and stings, a baking soda paste can reduce swelling and itching, providing quick relief without harsh chemicals. In the laundry room, baking soda boosts detergent power, whitens whites, and softens fabrics, making it a versatile addition to any household. It can even help remove stubborn stains from carpets and upholstery when mixed with water and vinegar. Even in cooking, baking soda's uses go beyond baking. It can tenderize meat, reduce bitterness in coffee, and even crisp up fried foods for a perfect texture. Some chefs use it to speed up the caramelization of onions or to create fluffier omelets, showcasing its versatility in the kitchen. For those interested in sustainable living, baking soda is an eco friendly alternative to many chemical laden products, reducing environmental impact while saving money.